One really neat thing about it is like you have the light over here, and then you have the different lights that is just around the ring, which is super cool. So we could also control it with this remote that it came with. So another really cool thing about this lamp is the remote could just be placed on it like that. It just sticks through like a magnet, which is really cool. So today we're going to be putting together this floor lamp here. Let me just show you guys how it comes. And this is how it looks right out of the box. Let's get some pieces out. So this is looking like it's going to be the base here, and it already comes attached to other pieces. You just got to pull all the pieces out here, and it looks like we're going to have to screw each pole piece together to create one long pole. And then here we have the remote, and here we have the power cable, and then we have a little Allen wrench here. Let's see, and then we just gotta shake this part off here. Oh, okay, my mistake. It looks like this is actually the base here, and this is just the light. And it looks like that is all that's in the box, so it's gonna be pretty easy to assemble. Like I said, just got to screw these pieces together, and then it looks like I'm just gonna have to screw this pole onto this base, which is pretty heavy. So I just screwed this part into the pole here, and then there was a second part, and then this portion here doesn't need the screw. It looks like we just line this piece up like so, and then we're just going to use one of the screws here, and that's just like the final piece before you actually get to the light. So we're going to do that part. So I just screwed this piece in here, and then it looks like at the top we're just going to be unscrewing this piece here just to be able to get to the hole that is on the top, and then we're going to connect this piece here to be able to push this final screw in through there. So yeah, I just screwed this part in, and now we're just going to screw this part into the base. I just screwed the pole onto the base itself, and just wanted to show you guys that up here you could just rotate the light and point it in whichever direction you want. It goes the whole way around, and you just have to cycle it back just like that. Next, I have the power cable here. Just going to connect this end to this end here, which is at the bottom of the lamp. So we're going to test the lamp. We're going to turn it on, and there we go. It just turns on just like that. It is super bright, and you can point it to whichever direction you would like. Oh my goodness, yeah, so bright. And taking a look at this here, it looks like you could make the light more dim if you would like. There we go. And then you could also make it brighter by just holding on to the plus button. But yeah, full disclosure, I did receive this product for free in exchange for this video. One really neat thing about it is like you have the light over here, and then you have the different lights that is just around the ring, which is super cool. So we could also control it with this remote that it came with. Let's see, just testing out. Okay, so you could turn the RGB on and off if you'd like, but still have the light part on. It looks like you could turn this brighter like this, and then let's see, left or right. Okay, you could change it from like a more warm setting, like a yellow light, to a cooler color, which would, appear more white depending on how you want your room. So yeah, a bunch of things. You can have it like a coffee vibe right here, and just have it going off. That is super sick. And let's just press different one. Gaming, it looks like you could press the gaming button, and just a bunch of different default settings. But if you don't like any of the default settings, you could always just modify it based off of how you want it. But yeah, I am really liking the way that this light looks. Really cool. Loving the extra light in the back, and you can see it just cycling through like that, and very bright light there. So yeah, if you're looking for a nice floor lamp, I would highly recommend checking this out.